Today I'm going to use sweet potatoes and flour to make a very delicious meal. It's very nutritious and delicious. First, prepare 500 grams of sweet potatoes. Peel the skin with a knife, then cut them into thin slices. Put them on a plate and place it in a steamer. Steam the sweet potatoes over high heat for 12 minutes. And pour them into a large bowl. Use a homemade rolling pin to mash them into sweet potato paste. Beat in an egg, add a spoonful of salt, and mix well. Then add flour in small amounts several times. The amount of starch is determined by the amount of sweet potatoes. Mix well each time so that you can control the softness of the dough. Just mix it into a small dough, then knead it into a soft and firm dough. If it is not smooth at first, knead it for about 5 minutes. Dough kneaded like this becomes very smooth and delicate. After kneading, place it on the cutting board and roll it into a long strip. Then cut it into equal-sized pieces. Knead each piece and shape it into a ball. Use a rolling pin to roll each one into an oval shape. After rolling, press the top with chopsticks. Now, the raw dough is done. You can sprinkle some cornstarch on the surface to prevent sticking. After all the dough is shaped, place it on a plate. Friends, I share a simple home-cooked meal every day. If it helps you, please help me forward it. Thank you very much. Cover the prepared dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. While waiting, let's prepare a little side dish. Take 2 to 3 tomatoes and cut across on the top with a knife. Put them in a large bowl and soak them in boiling water for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare an empty bowl and beat 2 eggs into it. Stir well with chopsticks. After 2 minutes, the tomatoes will be hot. Peel them, then cut 2 slices from the middle. Chop the tomatoes into large pieces and place them in a large bowl. Prepare some vegetables you like. After washing, cut the leaves into small pieces and place them on a plate. Cut the stems into small pieces and place them on another plate. Add some bean sprouts. Cut a garlic sprout into small pieces, about 1 centimeter, and put them on a plate. Slice a ham sausage into small pieces. Children love it. Put it into another bowl. Next, heat up some oil on high heat. Pour in the egg mixture and quickly use a spoon to spread and fry it into small pieces. Leave a little oil in the pot, then pour in the tomatoes and garlic sprouts. Turn up the heat and fry until the tomato juice comes out. Add the bean sprouts and celery and stir-fry on high heat for 1 minute. Then pour in an appropriate amount of water. Season with salt, oyster sauce, and pepper. Stir well with a spoon to dissolve the seasonings. Cover the pot and simmer for 5 minutes. Now take out the noodles we made earlier. They're ready. Take a piece, fold it as shown in the video, and gently stretch it. Fold it a few times and it will become very long. Then tear it into noodles along the lines. You can also make more raw noodles at once. If you can't finish them, cover with plastic wrap and store in the refrigerator for the next day. Add the sweet potato noodles. Bring to a boil and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the noodles are cooked, add the eggs and celery leaves to increase nutrition. Before serving, add a few drops of sesame oil and stir well. The delicious sweet potato noodles are ready. These noodles are strong even without using cooking oil. They taste very refreshing and not greasy. When it's cold, you can make a big pot. Your family will enjoy a warm and hearty meal. Sweet potato noodles are smooth, chewy, and golden in color. Both adults and children love them. If you like it, try making it at home.